Oh, she's all upside. So, who wants to knock it out of the park? Last auction today, I'm all fired up, ready for my ice cream. So you better eat that thing fast. I'll give you that tip. 560 at a bit now. Mate, I'd love to swap with you right now at 560. You're going to follow suit. Rightio, like for like at 570 at a bit now. Look, everyone should be in at these numbers. 70. Who's going to bid 580? Thank you, sir. At 580. He's back at 590. At 600, through we go. Falling away nicely at 6. But it's 685,000 at a bit now. Sir, my math teacher, Mrs. Stafford, tells me that 685 and 5 is 690. Yeah? Sell it, have it out the back with him. If you wait to see what happens, just don't do it. Hold the highest bid. If I come out and say it's sold to him, there's no disappointment, is there? Right, good. So we're going to be having a conversation for the one of another bid at 685,000 at a bit now. Is there 690? Be fair warned. There is. 690, thank you. But it's 695. At 695. Gentleman's in front at 700,000. Sir, you've been with 720. 25, sir, but it's 720.
Aaron, we're on the market.
You beauty. At 725 on the market, selling out. She goes at 730. I play for keeps. At 730, at 35, at 40. At 7 and double chops at 45 and puts up $750,000. Then I'll pause to breathe. At 750. At 790. At 790. 800. I salute the bid. He doubles me up at 800, but he's going nowhere at 805. At 805, at 860, offered in now. At 865. At 865. 870. We won the World Cup in 87. At 870. 75. At 875. Puts up $7/8 million at 875. 880, sir. 880.
I'm out.
Loving your work. At 880,000 at a bit now. At 880, is there a little fire? At 880, Bob, you do it again. At 880,000, it is going. Sold to you, sir. Good on you, mate.